Hey, I'm Tony Crimlisk. This is a song, it's a dance, it's a fun song for both children and adults, and it's only got 2 chords. What's not to like? I'll sing it first and I'll go through all the chords and talk a bit more about it. Hey ho, skip to Maloo, hey ho, skip to Maloo, hey ho, skip to Maloo, my darling. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe, flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe, flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe, skip to Maloo, my darling. The cows in the cornfield, what'll I do? Cows in the cornfield, what'll I do? Cows in the cornfield, what'll I do? Skip to Maloo, my darling. Hey ho, skip to Maloo, hey ho, skip to Maloo, hey ho, skip to Maloo, my darling. Asked my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to Maloo, my darling. I'll get another one prettier than you. I'll get another one prettier than you. I'll get another one prettier than you. Skip to Maloo, my darling. Hey ho, skip to Maloo. Hey ho, skip to Maloo. Hey ho, skip to Maloo, my darling. I've done quite a few beginner courses for our local youth today, and something that often disappointed me when somebody apologising and saying, sorry, I haven't only had time for any practice this week. The cat died, the fridge broke down. I felt really frazzled. That, of course, is the very time you should pick up your ukulele and strum a few chords. It's very relaxing. Repetition, of course, is important, but that too can be fun and relaxing. It's a good example here of practice, if you like to call it that, or just repetition, with only 2 chords and a fun song. Its origins may be Creole, but there are many other possibilities. Lou is a Scottish word for love, and it's also a popular American partner stealing dance from the 1840s. It's been recorded by Leadbelly, Pete Seeger, Judy Garland, Nat King Cole, and many others, and is a favourite piece arranged for choirs. The song was featured in the 1944 film Meet Me in St. Louis, and also in the 1951 film Across the Wide Missouri, with Clark Gable playing the Jew's harp, which incidentally has nothing to do with the Jewish people, but it's a corruption of Jaw's harp, and originated probably in the 3rd century BC or before, when it was made of bamboo. As I say, this is a very simple 2-chord song. I'm singing it in the key of F, so the 2 chords are an F chord and a C7. And there's a pattern. It's 2 bars of F, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 bars of C7, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 bars of F again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 bar of C7, 1, 2, 3, and back to F chord to finish with. The first note to sing would be the first string open. So you've got hey ho, skip to Maloo, hey ho, and so on like that. I've also done a version of the key of C, so you can practice going from C to G7, which is also very common. And the pattern is exactly the same. 2 bars of C, 2 bars of G7, and so on. And the first note to sing in that case would be the E note, which is the 2nd string. Hey ho, skip to Maloo, hey ho, skip to Maloo, and so on like that. And it's just a matter of which key suits your voice the best. Well, I hope you found that interesting and useful. If you do, please subscribe and help to get the channel better known. But whatever you do and however you do it, have fun.